Hey YouTubians, Gary, VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to another special video where today I'm surrounded by a bunch of bays. Bill, Wild Bill, what are we doing here?
Well, this is the 10th annual show and there's bay windows parked here, and I happen to be camping here at the campgrounds at Nova Campgrounds. This is great. I don't have to go very far for the show. Just
that is awesome.
Less than 50 feet. But we brought my bay here, and we got Jason Phillips from Mobile, Alabama, and then we've got Derek Henry down
Perfect.
there from Pensacola.
From Pensacola.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So this is a big bay rally show, the 10th annual.
Yes.
And we're going to go around and check out some bay window buses.
Well, nice seeing you, Gary. And
appreciate you, buddy.
I appreciate you stopping by and saying hello.
Always.
Thanks.
probably number one.
Remember, all the judging this year was done by somebody here at the Nova Campground.
Paul Checky from Greenville, South Carolina. You have the best camper. Victor, we know you all from Port St. Lucie. You get the best camper display. Victor! Victor Melendez!
Give him the blue one.
You gotta stop coming to these things.
It says we know you all. We all know you. Congratulations.
Thanks.
The highest bus goes to no other than the one and only Carl Killander.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Were you high?
How are you?
How high are you?
Carl's from Melbourne.
All right, man. Thank you. Yeah. Like I said, we're gonna get pictures.
Go, Carl.
Yeah, I want to take your picture.
Thank you.
Right here. Good job, man.
The lowest bus goes to Carlos Garcia from Ovidio, Florida.
Look at that, huh? All right. Thank you.
The best stock bus goes to Jason Phillips. Jason's from Mobile, Alabama.
You want me to take a picture of you?
That's a cool hat. Ever been stuck outside of Mobile with Memphis Blues again? Oh, stuck inside?
Stuck in the tunnel.
All right. This one makes me giggle, but it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. The rustiest bus
Everybody.
goes to Jay Gould because of all that genuine rust on his bus.
That's patina. It's Fotina.
How can you win best?
Congratulations. Jay is also from Melbourne.
Thank you, sir.
The best commercial bus goes to Jared Elliott from Sarasota, Florida.
Nice. All right. Thank you.
Hang around so I get your photo. Okay. The best of show. The last one. It's in gold, not real gold. Rick Bradshaw. Rick is from North Carolina. Thank you very much.
Somebody shows up without a bay window, whether it's a Vanagon, whether it's a Chevy Silverado or a Colorado. So everybody's choice. We want the best non-bay. Will get a trophy.
Squareback.
Yeah.
Squareback. You've been walking around here. There's a Vanagon, there's a pickup truck, there's a squareback. That little thing right there, the black that people are leaning on, that doesn't count. So, I'll give you 5 minutes. Show me the best, whoever you think is the best non-VW, whether they're here or not, we're going to put it on their vehicle.
Vanagon. Squareback.
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 I'm not going to argue with the population.